Water bills creeping up? Saving water in Singapore isn't just good for the environment. It saves you real money. Tip 1. Turn off the tap while brushing. Leaving the tap on wastes up to 6 liters a minute. Turn it off and save more than 3,000 liters a year per person. Tip 2. Time your showers. A 5-minute shower is all you need. Use a timer or your favorite song to keep it short and sweet. Tip 3. Use pub-rated water-saving fixtures. Look for the water efficiency label or Wells logo when buying taps, toilets, or shower heads. More ticks equals more savings. Bonus tip. Fix leaks early. One leaking faucet can waste up to 500 liters a day. That's a full bathtub going down the drain. Small changes, big impact. Adopt smart plumbing habits and help make every drop count, for your wallet and for Singapore. Need help with water-efficient upgrades? Contact a pub licensed plumber today.